Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something special for all you UI and UX designers and web designers out there. We're diving into 5 game-changing Figma tips and tricks that will supercharge your design workflow. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First up, we have a time-saving technique for importing multiple images at once. As a designer, you know how crucial it is to work efficiently. With Figma, you can import multiple photos in a breeze. Just use the Ctrl or CMD plus Shift plus K shortcut and watch the magic happen. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about keeping your Figma files organized. A clear naming system is key. Instead of relying on plugins, use Figma's built-in method, rename. Select the layers you want to rename, hit CMD plus R, and make those changes on the fly. It's a game changer for sure. No more endless mouse movements. Modifying opacity has never been easier. Just click on the object and press your desired percentage, 10 for 10%, 25 for 25%, and so on. It's a small trick that can save you a lot of time and effort. Need to resize elements while maintaining proportions? Press K while selecting the frame or element, and voila! The scale tool appears, letting you resize with ease. And here's a pro tip, hold down the Alt or Option key to resize from the center. It's a total game changer. Last but not least, let's talk about copying and pasting like a pro. When you want to duplicate an element or copy its style, use Ctrl or CMD plus Alt plus C to copy properties and Ctrl or CMD plus V to paste them onto a new element. This one's especially handy for those intricate components with multiple characteristics. And there you have it, 5 fantastic Figma tips and tricks that every UI or UX designer should have in their toolkit. Remember, Figma isn't just a design tool, it's a game changer for seamless workflows, beautiful designs, and a thriving community. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy designing!